Hey guys, Danny here at PARTAY. Listen, I did a live stream earlier, had quite a few people that had joined and were interacting, and we were having a good time. I'd made a major announcement, and then we had a couple of butt wipes that came in of Ken's lackeys that tried to stir up trouble, so things got a little heated. So I've privatized that one at the moment. But I'm going to give you the key highlights of what you need to know. That was an announcement in that video, and that's that FLE now belongs to PARTAY. I authorized my attorney this morning to go ahead and file for trademark. So unless there's an issue at the trademark, there's no FLE that was actually trademarked out there for screen mixes. So I'm going to have that trademarked, and we will have Mr. Bird remove all of that crap from his website, because once it's official, I will give him a small period of time to remove it from his website. If he doesn't, I will have Wix shut his website down. So he wants to play games. We're going to play a little game. I want a little piece of that action, so I'm going to jump into. So you guys, I hope you guys have a good weekend. That is the major takeaway from that live stream, if you got a notification about it. And we're going to continue with some live streams, but I'm not going to allow that kind of stuff to go on. So no Ken Bird butt wipes allowed. You guys have a good weekend. Bye-bye.